So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your your Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, what you have to do is to tap over here to get the latest update of this app. So after tapping on update and getting the latest update of this app, what you have to do next is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on network and internet. After that, tap on mobile network and tap on this the network type you're using. Then after that, scroll a little bit and tap on advanced. So when you tap on advanced, scroll a little bit and tap on preferred network type and select 4G/3G/2G or 2. So after selecting this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for the app. So when you find the app, use your finger to tap on it for some while. Tap on the app info and you're going to be in the app info of HMRC app. So tap on the full stop, then tap on OK, tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is turned on. So after doing this, so you have to go back, tap on permissions and make sure the camera and also storage permission is allowed and not denied. Now tap on the storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. After clearing the cache, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and after that, make sure the background data is turned off. When it's turned off, make sure it's turned on, sorry. So after turning the background data on, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and tap on your power button for some while. Tap on restart, then tap on OK to get the device restart or reboot. So after that, your problem is going to get fixed after doing this. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.